Hello and welcome to our channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you're new here, please give us a like and show us support by subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. A mortgage is an excellent financial product to utilize while buying a home. It provides millions of Americans with the opportunity of making the dream of home ownership become a reality. However, being a homeowner and having a mortgage do not need to be synonymous. In fact, 34% of homeowners do not have a mortgage on their property. Paying off your mortgage before its full amortization is indeed possible. Refinance to a shorter term. Refinancing your mortgage is one of the ways to pay off your mortgage and be debt-free sooner. You can refinance your mortgage to a shorter term and lower interest rate. This option will require you to make a larger payment than what you are currently paying. The savings in interest will be significant, and you will cut your mortgage down by years. Refinance to a lower rate and continue making higher payments. Refinancing to a lower interest rate will also help you to pay off your mortgage sooner. Once you have refinanced, continue making the same mortgage payment you have been making all along. Whatever extra you are paying on your mortgage will be directly applied towards your principal balance. Ultimately, you will end up paying less in interest and pay it off sooner. Make sure you don't extend your term by refinancing. If you have paid on your 30-year loan for 5 years, don't refinance to another 30 years loan, even if the rate is lower. Speak with your lender about getting a shorter term. Otherwise, you will pay more interest and be extending the amount of time until you pay off your mortgage. While refinancing is a great option to pay off your mortgage sooner, it may not always be in your best interest. Consider the following scenarios to determine if you should refinance your mortgage. Don't refinance your mortgage if your interest rate will increase. If rates for a shorter-term mortgage are higher than your current interest rate, do not refinance. Use an online mortgage calculator to see how much your payment would be if you refinanced at the same interest rate you currently have for a shorter term. Then apply that payment amount towards your mortgage each month. Just treat your mortgage like it's on a shorter term. Closing costs are too expensive. Refinancing your mortgage requires you to pay for various closing costs. Keep in mind that these costs to add the money you are paying overall on your home. Discuss your break-even point with your loan officer to see if you'll be done paying off your mortgage before or after that point. You don't have enough equity in your home. Don't bother going through the application process of refinancing if you don't have enough equity in your property. If you have a full appraisal done on your property and find out you don't have enough value, you will not be approved for a mortgage refinance. You will still have to pay for the appraisal that was done. The average full appraisal costs about $500. That's money you could have applied towards your principal balance. Speak with a mortgage professional and a real estate professional to get an idea of your home's value before beginning the refinance application process. Make one extra payment each year. Making one extra payment towards your principal balance each year will shave 10 years from your mortgage loan. There are several ways you can make the extra payment. If you don't think you can afford to make it all at once, try to break it down. Divide one extra payment over 12 months and add that amount onto your regular monthly payment. Apply for your extra paycheck towards your mortgage. Many people get paid every 2 weeks or 26 times each year. Most months you will receive 2 paychecks, but twice a year you will receive 3 in 1 month. With some careful budgeting, you can allocate your entire extra paycheck towards your mortgage. Apply any extra money towards your principal balance. Anytime you receive any extra money throughout the year, make a payment directly towards your principal balance. There are several different types of windfalls you may come across. Use money from an escrow fund, a tax refund, or work bonuses as a way to pay down your mortgage. And now here are some extra tips. Set up bi-weekly payments. One of the most popular ways to pay off a mortgage early is to set up bi-weekly payments. Bi-weekly payments take your monthly payment and divide it in half, and that amount is paid every 2 weeks. Making bi-weekly payments means you will make 26 half payments or 13 full payments each year. Many lenders allow borrowers to set up bi-weekly payments on their loans. Don't set up bi-weekly payments with your lender if they want to charge a fee to set it up. Calculate how much you would pay bi-weekly and send that amount in on your own. Apply other debt payments to your mortgage. If you have any debt outside of your mortgage, it is advisable you pay off those balances before concentrating on your mortgage. After you have paid off any consumer debt or school loans, apply those monthly payments towards your mortgage. Since you are already comfortable making those payments every month and them onto what you're paying on your mortgage, this will help you to add a few $100s each month to your payments and save thousands over the life of your loan. You can also consider consolidating consumer debt into your mortgage and make a larger payment towards your mortgage. After consolidating all of your debts into a refinanced mortgage, the payment will be less than all of your previous debt payments combined. Continue paying the cumulative amount you were paying on all of the loans combined. Your consumer debts will be at the lower interest rate, and you will be able to make traction in paying off all of your debt sooner. This may sound counterintuitive, but it can work if done properly. If you are concerned you will accrue more consumer debt, then stay away from this strategy. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something interesting. Comment down below what you liked the most about this video and suggest any topics that you would like to hear about in future videos. To show us support, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.